Okay. Uh, Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Naina Shah from Manthan, Ahmedabad. We have been doing work for the behavioral and organizational health over the last 20 years in Ahmedabad, and we also are running in this pandemic times. We're also are running a series on psychological disorders, what kind of mental and psychological disorders exist, okay, in our life. And as part of that series, this is the third session that we are doing. And I will today talk of mood disorders, okay, which fall under the category of depression, bipolar depression, unipolar depression, etc. Now, what is a mood disorder? The depressive disorder is one of the most widely and prevalent recognized mental disorders in depression. Depression covers a variety of negative moods and behavioral changes in, in people. In day to day life, we often use the term depression to refer to normal feelings. See, depression also is considered as it's a normal thing. So, only when it reaches a very, very extreme state, then we go in for therapy or medication or medical consulting. Otherwise, it is managed in day to day life in our homes. Huh? Major depressive disorders are defined as a period of depressed mood or loss of interest or pleasure in most activities. Okay. Also, some of the symptoms include loss of body weight, constant sleep problem, and tiredness and inability to think. Okay, these are the some of the symptoms of depression. Now, factors predisposing depression are genetic makeup, heredity, okay, and also age. Sometimes at whatever age and gender are also the one of the reasons where depression really shows up in certain categories. Now there are two kinds of disorders: bipolar and unipolar. Okay. Now, what is unipolar disorder? Unipolar disorder includes only depressive episodes, and bipolar episodes include depression and mania. Both put together is all called as bipolar disorder. Now, in unipolar disorder, there is sadness, discouragement, pessimism, hopelessness about matters improving, or are familiar feelings to most people. Now, usually, normal depressions would be expected to occur in people undergoing unipolar disorder, depressive disorder, uh, and it is painful but common life events such as significant or personal and interpersonal or economic losses lead to unipolar depressive episodes. Now, major depressive disorders are depressed mood most of the day, okay, marked diminished interest or pleasure in all or almost all the activities, significant weight loss, uh, okay, insomnia also is one of the reasons. If there's lack of sleep, then also you have to worry that it could be a episode of depression. Psychomotor agitation or retardation, okay, fatigue or loss of energy is a reason for depression. Feeling of worthlessness or excessive and appropriate guilt may also lead to depression. Diminished ability to think or concentrate also is, or indecisiveness is also one of the reasons for depression. Okay, recurrent thoughts of death or suicide also is a reason where, or are instances where people can really be under uh, some kind unipolar depression. Now, also there are bipolar kind of disorder, which is a major depressive disorder by the presence of mania. Now, this is cyclic. Many times, this bipolar is cyclothymic, means it comes in cycles. It does not persist all the time. For at least 2 years, there has been numerous periods of hypomaniac symptoms that do not meet the criteria for hypomaniac episodes. Okay, so these are the kinds where mania, hypermania also, or over a period of some time, also is leading to bipolar disorder. Okay, during the above 2 year period, okay, hypomaniac and depressive periods have been present for at least half the time, and the individual has not been able to function without the symptoms for more than 2 months at a time. Criteria for a major depressive or manic or hypomanic episodes have never been met. Okay, the symptoms are not attributable to physiological effects of a substance, example, a drug or a medication which have led to the disorder. The symptoms cause clinically significant distress or impairment in social or occupational life. The mixed episodes have symptoms. The mix means where there are uh, bipolar and unipolar episodes, has symptoms of both full blown manic and major depressive episodes for at least 1 week, whether the symptoms are intermixed or alternately every few days. People with bipolar disorders experience episodes of mania and periods of depression. Even in the period of depression, they do not reach the threshold for a major depressive episode. The diagnosis of bipolar 1 disorder is still given. Like they are, the reasons could be but genetic influences, neurochemical factors, abnormalities of hormonal or regulatory changes, okay, and the psychological factors could be stressful life events. And treatment for these kinds of disorders are pharmacotherapy, electroconvulsive therapy, or psychotherapy. So these are the treatment for the bipolar depression. Hope this information is useful to you. And next week we will come with some other episode on disorders, on psychological disorders with people. Thank you.